Welcome guys. So in last video we are creating our first Spring application, right? So in this video we are going to see the how to injecting the pin with property, right? Injecting pin in property. So let's here go into this car class, right? So here I am adding one private string car name, right? So this is the one variable, right? So here I am going to pass this value here into the dynamic, right? So here I am going to remove this and provide the car name, right? So its value is passing here dynamically from our the configuration file, right? So here we are going to save this. So those who are new for this video, and once again I'm going to show this what we are doing. So here we have created one class car. So this is our bin class. So here we have created one car name variable, and here we are writed one method welcome, and here providing here our car name, providing a dynamically, right? So within this Spring project run, what we have done so far. So here we have created one application context, and within this class path XML application context, we have provided here our XML file name, which is our configuration Spring configuration file, and with this we have created here one object car class. So obviously Spring is made for us, and we are calling the welcome method from here, right? So here we are going to provide a property. So within this I am providing the property tag. Within this property we have to here provide the property name, right? So what is our property name? So here our property name is the car name. So here go and copy and then paste here within the property name, right here. And for this name, whatever values you have to provide, you can add it here as a value, and is equals to within double quote I am providing here Lamborghini, right? So here this car name we are injecting with the Lamborghini value, right? So just save it and go and run this application, right? So here what error we have got: invalid property car name of bin plus bin property car name is not writable as being invalid setter method does the parameter type. Okay, so for this you have to provide one setter method here. Without setter method we cannot set the value, right? So here for this I am providing the setter method where public void set car name, right? And this dot car name is equals to, here we are providing one string car name, right? So assign this value to here, right, and save it. So here I'm going to run the Java application. So here you can see the our property value, right? Lamborghini. So you can change your value whatever you are typing here. I'm providing um, like Tata. Save it and run it. So you can see a Tata, right? So thank you guys.